You pass hundreds of people on the street every day. Faces, voices, bodies, each one slightly different from the last. But have you ever wondered just how rare a human being can actually get? Not rare like 1 in 1,000, rare like the universe had to roll the dice perfectly, thousands of times in a row, just to produce a single individual. This is a thought experiment with real science behind it. What happens if you stack some of the rarest human traits ever documented into one person and then calculate the odds? By the time you reach the end, you are going to look at yourself very differently. Let us start with ethnicity. The world has over 8 billion people, but that population is not evenly spread. The Pirahã people of the Brazilian Amazon number somewhere between 300 and 400 individuals total. They speak a language with no numbers, no fixed color terms, and no creation myth so unusual that linguist Daniel Everett spent decades studying it, concluding it challenges fundamental assumptions about human cognition. Being born Pirahã already places you at roughly 1 in 20 million odds, and we have not added a single other trait yet. Now add albinism, a genetic condition caused by mutations in melanin-producing genes, resulting in white hair, pale skin, and light-sensitive eyes. Globally, albinism affects approximately 1 in 17,000 people. The odds climb. Next, complete heterochromia. One eye brown, one eye blue, 2 entirely different irises caused by differences in melanin distribution during early development. It occurs in roughly 1 in 10,000 people. It is immediately visible the moment someone looks at you. Add it to the stack. Left-handedness. Approximately 10 to 12% of humans are left-handed. Research by Dr. Clyde Franks at the Max Planck Institute has linked left-handedness to genetic variants affecting asymmetric brain development, 1 in 10. The numbers keep multiplying. Now something most people have never heard of, tetrachromacy. Most humans have 3 types of cone cells in the eyes, allowing you to distinguish roughly 1 million colors. A tetrachromad has 4 types of cone cells and can distinguish up to 100 million colors 100 times more than you. The condition arises almost exclusively in women, carried on the X chromosome. Dr. Gabriel Jordan at Newcastle University confirmed functional tetrachromacy exists in living humans. Around 1 to 2% of the total population may carry it functionally. Your rarest person sees an entire spectrum of color invisible to everyone around them. And now the strangest trait of all, hyperthymesia, highly superior autobiographical memory. A person with this condition can recall with near-perfect accuracy virtually every day of their life, not just highlights. Every Tuesday in March, what the weather was, what was said, doctor. James McGaw at UC Irvine was the first to formally study this, documenting subjects with structural brain differences including enlarged caudate nuclei. Fewer than 100 confirmed cases exist worldwide. The odds? Approximately 1 in 80 million. Now multiply everything together. Born Pirahã, albinism, complete heterochromia, left-handed, tetrachromatic vision, hyperthymesia. The number you get is so large that writing it out would fill this entire video. You are looking at a probability so small it effectively means this person should not exist. And yet nothing in the laws of biology actually prevents it. Every single one of these traits has been documented in living human beings. But here is the twist that changes everything. You might think this composite person is the rarest human who could ever live, but there is something rarer that every single person watching this already possesses. You, the exact sequence of genetic events that produced your body, the precise combination of genes from your parents, the specific sperm and egg that joined out of hundreds of millions of candidates, on the exact night they did has a probability so close to 0 that it barely registers on any scale we have. Dr. Ali Benazir, a Harvard-trained physician, once attempted to calculate the probability of any one specific person existing, factoring in ancestors meeting, surviving, and reproducing across thousands of years. His estimate landed at 10 to the power of negative 2,685,000. A number so incomprehensibly small he compared it to 2 million people each rolling a trillion-sided die and all landing on the same number simultaneously. That is you? The rarest possible person with mismatched eyes and four-cone vision and a perfect memory of every forgotten Tuesday would still be less rare than the simple fact that you exist at all. You pass hundreds of people on the street every day, and every single one of them, by any rational calculation, is the rarest possible